Good morning, Keller Williams, and welcome back to the KW Command 66-Day Challenge 7.0. And today is day 11. So today we are going to move from the Tasks applet into SmartPlans and do an introduction. But before we jump there, I did want to highlight the fact that the tasks that we were working on yesterday are now available inside of our home screen underneath the Tasks widget. So you can actually click on tasks from this widget, create tasks, just kind of a little quick add-on to yesterday's video, the ability to see or create tasks from the task widget. So moving into SmartPlans, that's going to be our fourth icon down here on the left-hand side. So we're going to go ahead and open that applet. What is a SmartPlan? So SmartPlan, think about it as kind of the automation engine inside of KW Command. It will allow you to automate emails, tasks, and text messages as long as you have Twilio, which is the texting service that we connect to through Command, enabled. And we'll talk about that a little bit later. But just a heads up that a SmartPlan is essentially the automation of tasks, emails, and text messages. So the best way to kind of walk you through what that might look like, I'm going to just show you inside the Create modal the basic ability to create a SmartPlan and then what it looks like. So if we click on Create, you're going to name your SmartPlan. So you definitely want to name it something that would stand out. So I'm just going to do 66-Day Challenge 7.0 Demo. Right, so that way I know what this is, and I click on Apply. And then inside the SmartPlan, you can see that SmartPlans consist of either a simple task, a call task, an email, or a text message. And you can incorporate any one of these four or all of these four, right? Any combination thereof inside of the SmartPlan. You can also put a delay between steps. So maybe it's a follow-up SmartPlan that's going to send an email and a text message and ask you to make a call on day one. And then it's going to wait a day or two, and then it's going to send a text, and then wait a day, and then send an email, and then wait a couple days and remind you to make a call, and then maybe wait a couple days and remind you to send them a handwritten note. You can see that there's a lot of creativity available inside of SmartPlans. The other nice thing is that you can link SmartPlans together. So you can create a SmartPlan that adds people to other SmartPlans as well. And then finally, you have the ability to repeat a SmartPlan. So you could have a SmartPlan repeat once, twice, all the way up to 6 times, or you could create a SmartPlan that never ends. It repeats unlimited number of times. There are some rules that are associated with SmartPlans, so we're going to kind of scroll down and take a look at those as well. So there is a max of 10 tasks per day on a SmartPlan. Now, if you're firing 10 tasks in one day, that's pretty impressive. You do have to have delays added between the days in order to do more than 10 tasks a day. You do have to have a day delay between scheduled text messages, so you can't schedule a text and then schedule another text and schedule another text. By the way, there is no way currently to schedule a time for these text messages. Typically, they are going out between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. of that business day or that actual day. So it's one text per day, got to have a delay between there. Same thing on emails. So you can't schedule more than one email per day. Got to have at least a 1-day delay between your emails. You can't have a hour-based delay. So the minimum delay is 1 day. You can't say wait 4 hours and then do some other stuff. The delays are no less than 1 day. You do have to have one action between delays. So you can't say delay 7 days and then delay 7 more days. Essentially, you would just delay 14 days at that point. SmartPlan total duration, you can have up to a year plus, right? So 370-day SmartPlan. Now remember, that's in one SmartPlan in and of itself. Your SmartPlan could repeat. So you could make a 365-day SmartPlan and then have it repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unlimited number of times, but one actual SmartPlan can't be longer than 370 days. To add people to another SmartPlan, you can only allow it once a day. So you can't say, hey, today I want to add you to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different SmartPlans in one day. You've got to spread that out. You've got to put a delay between that. And you can't add more than one version of a canned SmartPlan. I'm not sure why you would do that, but you can't. So If you've got to due in on a certain task, you've got to have that no less than 14 days. So you can set up specific tasks that are due in the future, but no more than 14 days. And to repeat a smart plan, it has to be at least 14 days in length. So I can't send a text and then delay a day and then repeat so that you're getting a text every single day. It's got to be at least 14 days or more in length to repeat. Now, I could do a text delay, do a text delay, do a text delay for 14 days and then repeat, but you might be spamming someone at that point, so be careful about that. And then obviously, if you're going to repeat a smart plan, this step has to be the last step inside of the smart plan. So those are some basic run-throughs. Here on the screen, anytime you're reviewing a smart plan or kind of checking out a smart plan, you're going to see the name of the smart plan, you're going to see what the steps are, and then when it ends. And here at the top, you'll see how many days the smart plan is running based upon what you're building out or has been built out for you. How many steps are included. This would include delays. So a delay is considered a step, although it is not considered a touch. So you can see you also have the number of touches. So if it was text, wait 3 days, and then text, that would be 3 steps. Text is 1 step, the delay is the second step, the second text is the third step, but that's only 2 actual touches. Inside of the smart plan, you can also add contacts from here, and you can save your smart plan as you create it. So that's kind of a basic run through. I just wanted you to see kind of what smart plans may consist of. We have several more videos planned for smart plan training. We're going to check out some of the smart plans that KW Command, KWRI, the labs team has created for your use. There are also a full library of additional smart plans that other agents have used. We're going to walk you through all of that process, how to add, how to remove, how to add in bulk, etc. So stay tuned. Several more videos on smart plans to come, but that was just kind of a basic introductory. As always, guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll look forward to talking to you again real soon.